welcome to Hua Lamphong station here in Bangkok. Today I will show you what a train looks like in Thailand. Let's get inside, let's get a train ticket. I have no plan of where I'm going. The ticket counter is right over there. Let's head through, let's get a ticket and then let's get on a train. Hi, Bang Sue station. Yeah.
Wow.
Do you have first class or something like that, just to try?
Today?
Yes, now if possible.
Not now.
Not now?
The next one.
Yeah.
The next one 4:30.
4:30.
Yeah.
What time? Oh, that's late. Okay.
Because it's gone
Yeah.
to 10.
Okay. How often are the trains? Every hour, every 2 hours.
4:30.
4:30 is the next one.
You arrive in Bang Sue Junction.
Okay. Do you have one on the other way, like from Bang Sue to here?
Bang Sue to here.
Yes.
เหรอ Way
What's
back
the next?
ใช่ไหม
Yeah.
4:30.
4:30. Okay. Thank you. I will think about it. I'll come back. Thank you. Alright guys, well, that did not go well. Next one is at 4:30, which is just way too late. I wanted to show you the trains here in Thailand, but there are no train tickets until 4:30, which is in 3 hours. So yeah, I'm not gonna stick around. Instead, we're gonna do a public transport video here in Bangkok. I noticed an MRT station here at Hua Lamphong station, which will take me somewhere more central. And then I'm gonna show you the BTS, I'm gonna show you the buses, and we're gonna see what public transport looks like here in Bangkok. So let's go and do that instead. Silver linings. You always have to make the best out of every situation, guys, and this is exactly what we're doing today. I think the MRT station entrance is right here. So let's go and buy a ticket. Bangkok's MRT stations are so clean. They're pretty new and they connect the whole city. The city is massive, and so it's great work to, you know, have every little part of it connected. Also, no Dareens are allowed, which is absolutely reasonable. I tried Dareens in Malaysia and not a fan. All right, here are the vending machines for the tickets. Let's see, we have English right here. It's very convenient. If it works, there we go. We are at Hua Lamphong. Okay, that's not the one. I selected the wrong one. There we go. Sukhumvit, come on. Click. No. Okay. This one doesn't really work. Let's try the other machine. Okay, there we go. You have to press it really hard. There we go. Sukhumvit. 30 ringgit to get there. Let's pay, and I'm gonna show you the MRT. Something to consider, guys, is that you should only use coins, because if you use, let's say, a 100 baht note, it will give you coins back, and that's a real nuisance. So yeah, better use coins all along. Oh, that didn't go through. Okay, let's see. That did. And one more. Okay. Let's try again. And here we are. And then you get this little, like a chip, that you can enter the station with. Sukhumvit is where we're going, so this is this direction. Not too many people today on this Thursday. It's a Thursday, yeah, I forgot for a second, but it's a Thursday. And then up here it says how many minutes it will take until the next train. In this case only 2 minutes. They come very frequently. It's fantastic. The MRT here in Bangkok is one of the best in the world. And there it comes, guys. It is a bit full. Yeah, not too bad. Let's enter. I love how they have these doors that only open when the train's here.
Silom station. Please mind the gap between train and platform.
Alright, this is us. Sukhumvit station. We've arrived. That took like 6 stops or so, maybe about 10-15 minutes. But yeah, very comfortable train. Big fan. The security in the stations, it's brilliant. So yeah, MRT, big dub in my eyes. Also, guys, if you're asking why I'm in Bangkok, it's well, you see I got new glasses. That's one reason. I got new sunnies as well. Yeah, I had to run some errands, had to exchange some currency, and next country is coming up soon. But for now, let's keep exploring the public transport here in this amazing city. In order to leave the station, all you need to do is just throw in this chip into the machine. Or if you paid with your Visa card or your MasterCard, you can just go through that gate. But for me, that's it. And now the chip is gone and I'm out of the station. I do have to say that this is my least favorite area of Bangkok because it's so touristy. I know I'm a tourist technically, but I don't feel like one. I don't know, it's my 6th time in the city. I love it here. Yeah, Sukhumvit is just not the best area if you're into anything other than party, basically. And that's where we're going, BTS Asok station. So it's a different station. We have to walk across, probably leave and go outside, and then cross a road to get to Asok. As much as I dislike Sukhumvit, Terminal 21 Mall is right here, which is the best mall in Bangkok in my opinion. So there's some good in this area. And the stations are beautiful and very convenient. You don't even have to leave and go on the street. You can just walk on this little pathway here. Let's get a ticket. Alright, that's where we are, and we have to change the line to go. I think we're gonna go here, Cheongnan-si. 43, so you see that's a bit more expensive than the MRT. Instead of that chip, you receive a proper ticket. You again have to forfeit it at the end, but yeah, pretty simple. Not too sure what direction. I think this is it. Pretty sure. So we're going to Siam. Oh no, it's not. So we're supposed to go here and then change onto this line and go to Cheongnan-si. Similar thing here. You can't really go on the tracks, which is brilliant. It prevents yeah, bad action. I'm not gonna specify it any further, but yeah, they don't open unless the train's here, which is great. And then this is the Terminal 21 Mall, one of the best malls. So it actually has the best food court in Bangkok. I made a video on that. The prices are amazing. So if you're in Bangkok, don't skip this mall. It's really, really good. And every floor is themed differently. There's a Istanbul floor, a Paris floor, a London floor. It's amazing. Definitely go there. Also guys, I'm here during rainy season, so pretty much every day here was extremely wet. And today is one of the very few times when it's not actually raining and there are no dark clouds overhead, which is amazing. Very, very rare occasion in May. And there we go guys, the BTS. Obviously due to respect, we have to first let everyone leave and then we can enter. But here it is. Very comfy and air-conned, just like the MRT. And here we are guys, Siam, that's where we are. Siam, which is a major station. All the malls are here. Siam Discovery, Siam Scope, MBK Center, what else? Siam Center. You know, all the massive malls in Bangkok are in Siam. And now we can go on the Silom line, which is towards where I'm staying. Now I'm not sure what direction. It could be this platform, it could be a different one. I'm gonna quickly check and then I'm gonna find the right train. Okay, yeah, it seems like the train is just across the platform on this one. That was very easy. We don't have to leave anything. We can just hop on this train directly. But again, you see how amazing the station is. There's no aircon, but there are some ceiling fans up there spinning, and it's very pleasant. It's very, very pleasant. But yeah guys, this video will not be over after this train because I will be taking a bus as well. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in Bangkok because there's a special app for buses called Bus, and it's just, you know, a bit different than anywhere else. So stay tuned because, yeah, a lot more to come.
Thank you.
I don't know what just happened. They kicked everybody off the train. I thought this was going the other direction. I don't know. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna probably take a bus then to show you guys the third mode of transport. Let's go to Silom on a bus here in Bangkok. Oh, we're next to the National Stadium. Look at that. Wow. Very cool. Oh, yeah, we need to insert it. There you go. Didn't fully use that ticket because I didn't go to Silom, but it's okay. Also, that right here is the MBK Center. Wow, massive mall. I also have a video on that, so if you want to check it out. It is very, very chaotic. But we're going right over there. You see that tower? This is the tallest tower in Thailand, Mahanakon Tower. And yeah, let's take a bus towards that area. Also, what is up with this very Japanese looking station? There's a very cute coffee shop, and then there are some vending machines. I don't know, are these vending machines or is it just like arcade games? Maybe that, I don't know, but it's very, very cute. And that's a vending machine. Yeah, it's very Japanese looking. Anyway, let's leave the station. Let's actually go towards MBK Center and then grab a bus from there. This is a really cool looking shrine. They love putting them on every corner, and I love them. Look at that. Wow, and there's a train. That's the Skytrain that we just arrived on. That did not go where I thought it would go. It's fine. And I just want to say, guys, if you are interested in me taking a train here in Thailand, please subscribe, because I tried to do that earlier in the video. As you saw, it didn't work out. I will try again. I will actually get a ticket online. And that right there is the bus stop. This is where we are going. You see the buses stopping, the pink one over there. Yeah, let's get there. Okay, yeah, this is a station. That's MBK Center. The station is called opposite MBK Center. Pretty simple. We're waiting for one of 4 buses that are acceptable for us to go all the way. It's just a straight shot to Silom. There's a bus. Let's see, what is it? 47 341. Is that okay? No, we can't take that. Oh no, we can. Yeah, okay, good. Let's see, I'm not too sure how to pay, but we'll figure it out. Probably a conductor on here. Wow, that looks rustic, guys. Woo, that's crazy. Okay, yeah, there was a conductor on here, and I just paid 8 baht, which is very, very little, like 20 American cents for this ticket, and I can stay on the bus for an indefinite amount of time, as long as I want, until the end station. That's very cool. But look at that. This, I think, is a hospital. We are passing Lumpini Park on the left of us. Yeah, this is awesome. Now this right here is Vua Temple. One of the most beautiful temples in Bangkok. And we're off. That was the bus. I love how there are old buses in this very, very modern city. It gives this city a bit of a flair, and I hope they will never change that. I know they are already replacing these old buses with new purple buses, but yeah, this is a real vibe. Anyway, guys, I will now head to the Silom complex to get a few groceries and maybe go do some shopping. But with that, I'm going to end the video here, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please leave a like, please comment what else you'd like me to do here in Bangkok. I want to do more transportation videos, because that seems to be what you guys enjoy most. And please subscribe, because I have so much more content from so many places in Asia. Yeah, with that, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.